Want to know how to attract any girl? It starts by getting the girl interested in you and curious about you. With that foundation, you can gradually build a lasting attraction with any woman. Project Confidence. Confidence is the one irresistible trait you must have if you want to attract women. And women can tell right away whether or not you are confident just by looking at your body language. For example, if you are fidgeting or making yourself small in your environment, women will see you as lacking confidence. So, the first step in how to attract any girls is to adopt confident body language. Keep your body movement calm and controlled, make yourself big, don't be afraid to take up room and claim the space immediately around you. If that's difficult due to feeling nervous or uncomfortable, take a slow, deep breaths while focusing on the sensation in your body. This will help you relax and allow that confident body language to come out naturally. Get her laughing. Every girl wants a guy who can make her laugh. And there is no better time to prove you have that ability than at the beginning of the conversation. Get a girl to smile early on and it helps her relax and feel comfortable talking to you, all while sparking that interest and attraction. One technique you can use to start a conversation and get a girl laughing is playful teasing. This is particularly effective because most guys are too insecure to playful tease a girl right off the bat. By starting your conversation this way, you show you are not intimidated by attractive women. You can get her laughing and show tremendous confidence at the same time. Here's just one example of how to start a conversation with playful teasing. Excuse me, I'm trying to have a guy's night out and you totally ruined it. You're damn cute. Lines like these can get a conversation started on a fun, playful note. Make her win you over. Projecting confidence and making a girl laugh are common tips for how to attract any girl. But there is another tip that's equally important that doesn't get nearly as much discussion. It's called qualification. Qualification is all about getting the woman to prove that she is a cool, interesting girl. It shows you are a guy with a standard who doesn't invest his time and attention in just any attractive girl. When you actively filter women like this, they see you as a high-value guy. They will then put more effort into keeping your interest and attention. After bantering with a girl, you can start qualifying by asking questions like, "So, what's your deal?" Or, "What are 3 things I wouldn't know about you by looking?" These questions are great because they are open-ended and allow the girl to share as much information as she feels comfortable. They also give you a great chance to get to know her. You can then find out if she truly is a cool, interesting girl. Create an emotional connection. In order to know how to attract any girl, it's important to know how to connect with any girl. That is, how to build an emotional connection so she feels close to you and you feel close to her. One way to build that emotional connection with a girl is to use the I when speaking. Express your thoughts, opinions, and most importantly, your emotions directly. For example, saying "I love Game of Thrones" gives her a glimpse into your emotional world. But if you said Game of Thrones is a great show, then that emotional component is taken out of the picture completely. Talking about your personal experiences rather than objective facts is going to get her feeling more deeply connected to you. This is what keeps guys out of the friend zone. One of the most effective ways is to start touching the girl early on in your conversation by lightly tapping the back of your hand against her elbow. If she is okay with that contact, you can gradually move on to touch her for a longer period of time in more intimate areas, shoulder, back, thigh, or face. Be unattached to the outcome. One thing that will help you tremendously when learning how to attract any woman is being unattached to the outcome. That is, don't get hung up on whether or not you'll get a phone number, a date, or even get the girl to like you. Just enjoy the process of meeting women and focus on having fun. If you're not looking to get anything from your interaction with women, then you'll have no trouble being confident, fun, and open with women. The best way to make this your natural way of being is to get lots of experience talking with women. Make a point to talk to at least 3 women a day and practice the techniques. The more experience you get, the less you care about each individual interaction.